I did not look, or I never looked that deep into economics, because I don't really like the way people are dealing with each other there, that they are permanently trying to take advantage of each other and to amass as much goods as possible. And the course on alternative economics really opened a door for me to understand and to see how we can do economics in a way that we do not do these things that I consider as so negative. The course on alternative economics really helped me to understand how I can implement an economic system in which I would actually like to live. It has been more than 2 weeks really packed full of information, which are quite hard to absorb, so it will take some time to really digest it all through, but I feel really so much empowered with all this knowledge that I can use to create a place in which I can live without having a bad feeling about what I do to my surroundings and to the environment. And I really value how in this course, in this PDC, we were dealing with or familiarized ourselves with all the different aspects of how you want to live, how you have to treat your environment, about nature, about food, about animals, water systems, soil treatment. I learned so many new things that I did not know before, and I feel really empowered now that I can just go to a place and I just know how to, basically I learned how I can live with their nature instead of against it, and that really empowers me.